Today I am doing an unboxing and a review on this mobile phone. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro, 5G compatible, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and it's SIM free, and this is not their most expensive one. They do another version of this which has 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, but I went for this one. It's just under £800 at the time of making this video, and that's not cheap. So with that, I'm going to have a quick look around the box. It says OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus, and show you this bit. I've got to cover this bit over, unfortunately. So it says open, so we're going to be opening it there. So here we go. Oh, tears it. Clever. Get the wrapping off. Da, da, da. Nicely packaged. Look at that. Never settle. Yes. Looks very nice. So what's in here then? There's got to be something in here, isn't there? Yeah, thought so. Safety information. I will be reading all this in a bit. Never settle. OnePlus. I will have a quick read of all that in a bit. That's it out of there. So what do we have here? Oh yeah, it comes with a nice little case to protect it. So that would go like that. Not too sure about the case, but you know, it's there. I have ordered another one, and I will be doing a review on the other one as well. So I have to keep the numbers covered over. Yeah, fits really nice. Get that off for now. Come on, come on. USB charging cable. That's quite clever how they do that. Well, I think it's clever anyway. The plug. Very nice. So that is everything in the box. What I'm going to do now is have a quick read of the instructions and set it all up and have a little play about with her. So I'll be back. Right, I managed to get my old phone to work and managed to copy all the information that I needed off of that phone onto that phone. So that's very pleasing. Saved me a lot of time. I think I downloaded 103 apps. Yeah, quite a lot. Took a little while, but not too long. Not as long as I thought it would do. And like I said, I've got my old phone working. It's still working at the moment. So if I need anything else off there, I can. So with that, I've had this for a few weeks now, and I wanted to try and explain to you some of the features that it's got that I like, and you know, some of the settings that I've actually changed to suit me. So with that, I'll get on with it. So first things first, there's a little button here that will bring up the display. Press that once, like so. Also, if you just tap it, it will bring up the display as well for your fingerprint recognition. I like the fingerprint recognition, it works really well. And on the other side, you've got the up and down volume. And if you want to power it completely off, you have to hold the volume button in and this display button in at the same time, and then it will come up with an option. I'm not sure if it do when it's not on. Let's try it. No, it just does that. So you've got to open it up first. But if you do that and that, it will come up with an option: power off, restart, or do a screenshot, or emergency telephone call, something like that. So I found that quite useful. I do like, I know I've just said this already, the fingerprint recognition. It works extremely well. My last phone also done it, but it didn't always work as good as this one. This works extremely well. On this, when I first started it up, it didn't have these three little buttons here. They was missing, and I had to go into the options and turn them on, because I preferred them to the option it was giving you. I'm going to quickly show you now what I'm talking about. So it comes under buttons and gestures, and it's navigation and bar gestures. See this screen here? If you have it on that one, it does show you how to use it, but I didn't get on with it too well. So let me quickly try and show you. So shut that down. So you bring it up like that. That's what it's saying. But I was having trouble, especially if I had more than one program open at any one time. I preferred the 3 little bars at the bottom. That's my personal choice, and I'm sticking with it. So that is buttons and gestures, and navigation bar, and back to the 3 little displays there. I prefer that. That suits me better. The other thing I liked on here, you can find on here, which is under advanced, and I believe it's under display. Is it under display advanced? And yeah, refresh rate. It shows you the refresh rate. So we're running at 120 hertz, but you can drop it down to 60 hertz, which would save your battery. But I've been running it for a few weeks at that, and I've had no issues with battery. I charge my battery up every day. I just stick it on my charger, charge it up, job done. I have a new charger as well, which is a wireless charger, and it works extremely well. I'm very pleased with it. So that suits me. I can just put that on there. When I come home, I stick it on there, and it's charging up. And I don't believe I've got past 70%. Yeah, it's been, you know, I've gone down 30% down to 70%, and that's been about it for a day. So very pleased with the battery, and the energy consumption is very good. There's all my apps. There's quite a few there. Like I said, I have deleted a few of them, but I keep most of them for myself. You know, ones I like, and some of them I just need to go through and sort them out. Display, I am again very pleased, and I'm going to quickly show you a little video. I'm going to turn the volume off for the video, but I'm going to show you how good the display is by loading up a video. Let me try and find one just to show you. The other thing is, if you turn it this way, the letters are bigger as well, which I quite like. HD demo. I'm going to type in HD video 4K. Now, something like that. It's just, oh, that's not a demo, is it? Let me turn off volume first. So we're on mute. Ultra HD demo. Don't want a shot, I just want a display. Yeah, something like that. So it's a Sony one. So I thought the quality of the image was very good. It does look very natural, but again, also vibrant colours, as you would expect someone's making a 4K video. They're going to make it, you know, extremely vibrant and colourful, but also try and keep it as natural as possible. The beveled edge, I quite like, doesn't seem to cause any issues. I've already had one update. It's only a small update, and I do believe that was something to do with the bevel edging, which I thought was really good. So yeah, very pleased with that. The cameras on it, I think, are really good. They look really good, nice and sharp pictures and images. I want to quickly show you now how it all works and what they look like. So we have it on photos. Just click on video, so now it's video, and you can reverse it. So you can see my camera, you can see me. So yeah. Move your finger out of the way because the camera's there, look. So yeah, nice and clear. Yeah, see that? Nice and clear. Could do with another shave, I suppose. Over the camera. Yeah, look really good. Swap it over to the other camera, and there you go. Just see if I can show you that. You see that? Nice and clear, natural. And I've done some videos. I haven't done many photos because I've been playing about with the videos mainly. So videos, if I go to my photos, something like this. This is my room. You can either have it like that. If you just turn it, it will go like that. So this is a 360 degree filming. I'm using a gimbal for this to do it. So that's basically it. I thought it was really nice. Also, I've done an outdoor one as well. Oops. Where's my outdoor one? This baby out. Again, I was just experimenting. Just wanted to get a basic idea. Yeah, picture quality looks perfect. Natural colours, but nice and clear colours, which I was very pleased with. And I did actually go out and about as well. Let me see if I can find one where I went out and about with it. I believe that's one of them now. This is my local high street. So didn't even realise I had it on at one point. Thought I turned it off. I think it was that one. So this one does a panoramic view. Again, they're natural colours but very clear. Very good, very impressed. This one, again, I was messing about. This is not an effect from the camera, this is an effect from a bit of software I've downloaded just to give it something different. Very pleased. I'm very pleased with the whole package at the moment. The only thing I probably don't like is the price. To be quite honest, it is expensive. A very expensive phone. You know, obviously I could have got a contract, but I actually bought the phone rather than got it on a contract. So that is basically it. I just wanted to show you some basics and some of the settings and why I changed them. Basically, these are the main three that I changed. I needed them back because I couldn't get on with the other option. For me, it didn't work. Overall, I am very pleased with it. It was easy to put the SIM card in. It comes with a little pin for you to push that down so that pops up. And this is a dual SIM card. This will take 2 SIM cards rather than just one. I've only got one in there at the moment, but it is ready for the future. If I get another SIM card, you know, maybe a business one and a personal one, I can plug them both in there at the same time, which I thought was an excellent idea. And I didn't mention that at the beginning of my video. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It definitely gets my thumbs up. It's at the moment my favourite phone. Hope you found this informative, and I hope it helps you to make up your mind whether or not it's worth you investing in a phone that costs round about or just under £800 to buy. Don't forget, you get 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabyte of RAM, and it is really responsive. It is really nice. It is a really good quality phone that probably doesn't get recognised by a lot of people out on the street. You know, what makes that? OnePlus. Never heard of it. You will find a lot of people who've never heard of OnePlus. Believe me. I've already been telling people, oh, I've got a new phone. Oh, what makes that then? OnePlus. Yeah, but who makes it? Well, OnePlus do. That is how it's been, really. So yeah, I am very pleased with it. Definitely gets my thumbs up. It's had one update, like I said earlier, already, and hopefully they do more updates to, you know, make it even better than what it is. So hopefully you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you decide whether or not it is worth buying. So with that, thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.